Hey everyone, I'm just going to be going over why I'm choosing to use my current website for the portfolio for the senior capstone. I'm deciding to use this existing portfolio because I like the way that it's already set up. As you can see, my front page is pretty organized and I have some pictures that I've already taken before on there. And then as you go through the website, you can see I have the Hockey World project assignments, about, and contact. My design aligns with my brand just because it's simple yet elegant. On the front page, it is black and white, and then as you go into it, you can see it goes into the colorful pictures. I also like it because of the organization where, like I said, you can see the hockey projects assignments, about, contact. I plan to use this website when applying for jobs in the future. I do want to go into media management, and they typically do ask for a portfolio. And I want to use an artistic narrative displaying all aspects of work that I do, whether it's pictures, writing, my engineering internship, or my hockey internship. And that's about it.